We want to integrate x e to the 2x with respect to x from 1 to 2. As usual with no log present, we take x to be v, and then du dx is e to the 2x. We differentiate x, dv dx gives us 1, and integrate e to the 2x, which is a half e to the 2x. Remember, if you differentiate e to the 2x, you get e to the 2x multiplied by 2, because 2 is the differential of 2x, and integration is the reverse process, so you divide by the 2. Dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by a half. So therefore, the integral from 1 to 2 of x e to the 2x with respect to x is uv, and this part is already integrated, so that's a half x e to the 2x in squared brackets from 1 to 2. Take away the integral from 1 to 2 of u dv dx, which is just a half e to the 2x. So substituting in here, if we put 2 in, a half times 2 is 1, so we get e to the 4. With 1 substituted in, we get a half e squared. Take away, if we integrate a half e to the 2x, we get a quarter e to the 2x. And the limits, of course, are 1 and 2. So we have e to the 4, take away a half e squared, take away a quarter e to the 4, take away a quarter e squared. So we have e to the 4, take away a half e squared, take away a quarter e to the 4, plus a quarter e squared. This gives us 3/4 of e to the 4. Take away a half, add a quarter, is minus a quarter e squared.